Hey everyone, Nick here, and today I want to show you how easy it is to apply AI across your data using batch inference on Databricks. Now, AI is all the rage these days, but it isn't always easy or obvious as to how you can implement it at scale. Today, I'm going to show you how our latest release of batch inference works and how it's easier than ever to efficiently use AI to draw insights out of your data. Now, to set the stage, we're going to take a rather basic but important challenge. Imagine that we have a ton of social media reviews that we collect that all say different things about our company's global stores. We simply want to use AI to extract some key pieces of information that will help us take action, such as the location, urgency, and ratings of service and product quality. Now, instead of having to design an entire AI system from scratch, we can simply create a query. So what we're going to do here is we're using AI query. We're giving it an endpoint name. In this case, we're using MetaLlama 3.3, which actually comes ready to go out of the box through our foundation model API. And we're providing it a prompt, which is letting it know what we want out of it. So in this case, we're telling it would like you to extract the following information from each social media review. We want to know the location, the service score, the product score, any product names that might be mentioned, an atmosphere score, and an urgency, high or low, so that we can kind of take action and know which ones are severe. Then we can give it some general guidelines here, and that's enough for us to get started. However, there is one very awesome new feature in batch inference, which is the ability to define an output format. So in this case, we're telling it that not only do we want these responses, but we actually want them to be in this JSON format with these types and in exactly this schema. So we can just tuck this away, and now we can actually just go ahead and run this query. So what this will do in the back end, Databricks will make this efficient, fast, and scalable. And now you can run this across your entire table without having to build or stand up any AI infrastructure on the side. So we'll just give this a second to run here. Awesome. So in just a couple of seconds, you see that we have now taken these key pieces of information, and thanks to AI query and Llama 3.3, we now have these nice JSON objects with our new features. Now we can also use some SQL functions in order to look at these a little bit more cleanly and unpack them. So now you can see that for each review, we've broken out the location, a service score, a product score, the product names that were mentioned, and then we have our structured review, which is the JSON object in its entirety. And then of course the original review, just so we can verify. Awesome. So we've extracted some key pieces of information. Now how do we actually take action? Well, we've set this urgency field. Let's use it. So we can query this data again, and then this time we're going to look for any reviews that have urgency of high. So if we run this, you'll see, oh, we do get a bunch of stuff back. Now, it looks like these reviews got really bad service scores for a bunch of our different products, but you'll notice that it's all from one location. Let's go ahead and take a look at what this review says. Ooh, boy. Avoid like the plague. Right, it looks like someone was very unhappy with their experience at one of our stores. So this urgency of high looks like it was pretty accurate. Now, with this information in hand, we can actually go and start remediating this, make sure that this store is properly following company policies, making sure that it's clean and that their employees are well trained. And now, thanks to AI query and batch inference, you could see how this could become a pipeline where on some cadence, maybe daily, you can check just the high urgency reviews and have a much better pulse on how well all of your stores are actually performing. So, to wrap it up, batch inference through AI query lets users apply AI to reason over their data where it lives in an efficient, governed, and scalable way, which helps make Databricks a true data intelligence platform.